Okay, we are now about to enter Rizal Park. It's Jollibee Luneta, and that's Rizal Park over there. We're caught up in traffic. Anyway, Luneta Park used to be called Bagong Bayan, where the national hero Jose Rizal was executed by the Spanish government through firing squad. Yeah, this was the place, but later on, after the Spanish War, it was renamed Luneta Park or Rizal Park. Used to be called Bagong Bayan. Okay, we're finally out of traffic, and that's the road going to Intramuros, and this right here is that's the National Library. At the back of that is Luneta Park. As you can observe, just a little bit of movement, and again we're caught up in traffic. That's how commuting is in Metro Manila. Once you're out of traffic, you're gonna enjoy freedom of movement for just a couple of minutes, and then you find yourself caught up in traffic again. That's everyday commuter life, Metro Manila. Okay, you should understand that it's just 6 o'clock in the morning still. 16 minutes past 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's November, so usually this time of year it's still dark, even though it's already 6 o'clock in the morning. So you're gonna notice that most part of this video is kind of dark. Now sunlight is beginning to gain over darkness, and yeah, it's beginning to be brighter. Okay, finally we're out of the traffic. We're beginning to be freed from the traffic. We have a go signal, but still the traffic flow is slow, terribly slow. You can see how hopeless it seems each day when you're encountering traffic in Manila. Heavy trucks are usually found along major routes in Manila early in the morning, because at around 8 o'clock they will be banned from the major routes and they will have to take minor routes. See that? Traffic all around. And this corner has become a choke point. See? Becomes a hopeless situation. How can we move out of here? Believe it or not, later on things will be under control again. Traffic miracles happen in Metro Manila. First you see a hopeless situation, and then later on things will be under control. And then hopeless situation again, and then you find it under control again. That's how it is. That's how it works in Manila. That's why a lot of people prefer to travel by motorcycle, because they can sneak in and out of traffic easily. See that? While the cars and other vehicles are trapped in traffic, motorcycle riders find it easy to find their way out of traffic. See this one? Okay, it goes through there, and then we lost it. Okay, a few more moments, a few more seconds, and we're out of traffic. Oh, there he is, motorcycle guy. There he is. There. Okay, 3 minutes more. Finally out. That's Manila Hotel over there. See that building? That's Manila Hotel. Okay, we're now turning left to Roxas Boulevard. Roxas Boulevard. Okay, finally, we're along Roxas Boulevard. And that's museum, Children's Museum. And this is the U.S. Embassy. Right there. And this is Roxas Boulevard. Left lane is heavy traffic, right lane is free. Thank God. And that's the famous Manila Bay. Lots of people watching Manila Bay, relaxing for a while before a long day ahead of them. Okay, this is it for now.